Hi, this is Ruth from Seasoned Cook Shop. If you're a huge fan of bagels like me, and if you're tired of the classic combos, we've got this more creative filling, which is oyster mushrooms. This is perfect for picnics. So let's start off with marinating the oyster mushrooms. We're gonna use this Hoisin sauce, which is vegetarian, and we want to marinate it with 3 teaspoons. And if you like spicy food, you can add a little bit of Chipotle spice and just mix well. And to pair with the meaty mushrooms, we're gonna make a coleslaw. So we're just gonna mandolin slice it. So just around this kind of size. And same for the red one. So in the cabbage, add sesame seeds, whole grain mustard, and some mayonnaise. And just mix it through. So add some vegetable oil into the seasoned tri-ply frying pan, and you want to get the oil hot enough before you add the mushrooms. So add the mushrooms once the pan's hot. And flip them over once they're golden brown. So slice the bagel in half. And then you want to spread butter on the flat side. So place the bagel on a hot griddle pan, flat side down. Flip it halfway through. Beautiful. So to assemble it, put some mushrooms on the bottom. And a scoop of the coleslaw we just made. And try to spread it out. And then close it. For the perfect picnic takeaway, we've got the seasoned beeswax wrap. It's very good because it's reusable and it's got air pores for the bagel to like breathe. And you're just gonna place the bagel in the middle, and you just want to fold it tight all over so it seals. So this is the best alternative for cling films or aluminium foil. And you just want to wrap it all over.
It's deliciously moist and packed with lovely flavour. It's nice and creamy and indulgent with the coleslaw as well. So this would be perfect for just wrap up in a beeswax wrap with something nice to drink and bring it to the park or something. Happy summer, enjoy.